Finch?
Yeah. Bloody hell.
How many went out?
So far we count 8 boxcars, several 100,000 at least.
Christ.
I want anyone caught with one of those masks arrested.
Give me the money! Give me the fucking money!
We're under siege here. The whole city's gone mad.
This is exactly what he wants.
What?
Anarchy in the UK!
Chaos.
Mr. Creedy, I am holding you personally responsible for this situation.
The problem is that he knows us better than we know ourselves. That's why I went to Lark Hill last night.
That's outside quarantine.
I had to see it. There wasn't much left. But when I was there, it was strange. I suddenly had this feeling that everything was connected. It's like I could see the whole thing. One long chain of events that stretched all the way back before Lark Hill. I felt like I could see everything that had happened. And everything that was going to happen. It was like a perfect pattern laid out in front of me. And I realized that we were all part of it. And all trapped by it.
So do you know what's going to happen?
No. It was a feeling. But I can guess. With so much chaos, someone will do something stupid. And when they do, things will turn nasty.
Rioters were arrested in Brixton.
And then Sutler will be forced to do the only thing he knows how to do. At which point, all V needs to do is keep his word. And then